Let me get you a paper towel, please, so you can dry off the brush when you want. Here. When you want to dry off the brush, you can just put it on that, okay?
I think that would only interfere with the creative process.
You done with that one? Get some on your leg. Making a new color. You got all the colors on your brush now. Done with that one? You want to start a new one? New piece of paper?
No, this.
You're still working on it?
No, this.
Oh, you're going to pick with your hand. Best instruments of all. Yeah, you like the feel of that? We've moved on to just handprints. You like the feeling of that? It's a nice feeling. Ooh, that's very pretty. I like that. Can we call it done? Okay, hold on. Let me get you a new piece. Hold on. Oh, smush them together, yeah. Feels good, huh? Oh, I like that one. There's another one.
Hey.
Careful not to get it on your clothes. Don't get it on your Superman shirt. Keep it away from your shirt. Okay?
More?
More what?
More paper?
Yeah.
Oh. Go ahead.
Hey, look.
Hey, look at mommy with your, look at mommy. Put your hands up and show mommy. Open them up. Open them up again. Wow, that's a mess.
Indeed.
Look at the rest of it.